Alright, so if y'all trying to get y'all thick, tight forehead slick like this, keep watching.
I got my necklace on froze, both of my ears on froze. I been getting faded, I'm sipping on maple. If she won't, I won't make her.
What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm T. Welcome to T-Ville, and I hope you enjoy your stay. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and if you haven't clicked that like button, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. So as you can tell by the title, today I will be finally doing a slick back ponytail on my hair. This is a long awaited video. This is wash day. My hair, I did attempt to do a wash and go. I failed, and it's a lot of gel flakes in my hair, so if you see it,
don't come for me.
It's wash day. Don't come for me. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So you'll need extra hair ties and something to do your baby hairs with. I don't have my stuff together. You'll also need a brush, water, and of course gel. Gosh. So first I'm gonna start with splitting my hair down the middle because it's kind of easier to work in sections due to my hair type, which is 4C, 4B, and also due to the thickness of my hair. Y'all, this is a good comb. It don't break. My mom bought these. I don't know where from, but it's a goodie comb. Probably from Walmart. And look at it. You know this bad boy's sturdy, because my hair be breaking all the combs. So now I'm going to add water onto my hair, to my ends, to the middle of my hair, just to get it all separated and moisturized. And then after that, I'm going to get my Jamaican black castor oil with peppermint and just rub that into my hands and rub it all over my hair to lock in that moisture from the water. And then, of course, I'm going to add my gel. Now that I have my hair as slick as I want it and as slick as it is going to go, I'm just going to tie it up into the back of my head and move on to the next section doing the exact same process. Y'all know how I be saying I have different curl patterns? That's what I be talking about. I go from here to here to no curl pattern. Well, it's a curl pattern, but it's a tight curl pattern at the top. That's what I be talking about when I say I have all three type 4 hair in my head. Type 4C, 4A, and 4B. Now I'm going to take both sections of my hair together and form the puff in the back. Never mind, no I'm not. It looks like I'm just going to add more gel to my hair and comb it, well not comb it, brush it into like, you know, the little swoop style on the side. Gotta make it swoop. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So now I'm just gonna take a pretty big hair tie and twist it around to make it a little smaller and just put it onto my hair and fluff out my puff. And then I'm gonna get some gel, fix the flyaways, and then I'm gonna move on to my baby hairs. Hair is smooth, Tennessee whiskey. I am back. It's been like a good 5 minutes, I guess. We're gonna go ahead and take off this nice silky satin scarf that I got. You guys don't use cotton. Cotton pulls out your hair. Get you some silk. Hopefully it turns out good because I'm revealing it like it's perfect. Yes, sir. Just gonna fluff the puff. Fluff the puff. So here it is. Sleek, sleek, sleek. Let me put my glasses so I can see. Oh yes, baby. Yes. Y'all see that? It don't move. Like this extreme gel is something serious. Like, okay, I kind of messed it up there a little bit, but it don't move. So here you guys go. Here's the 360. Nah, but let me stop. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this method or whatever works for you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.